Hey there! Today, we're going to dive into the world of online business listings. Stick around as we explore how these listings can help your business grow and thrive. Alright, let's talk about increased visibility. Did you know that having your business listed online can significantly boost your presence? In fact, creating a 5-minute video on the benefits of online business listing can be a game changer. Imagine reaching more customers and expanding your reach effortlessly. It's like giving your business a megaphone. Now, let's move on to improved local SEO. Settings. By optimizing your business listing, you can enhance your local search engine optimization. This means, when people search for services you offer in your area, your business is more likely to appear at the top of the results. It's a smart way to attract local customers and stay ahead of the competition. By listing your business online, you can significantly enhance your brand awareness. Potential customers are more likely to discover your services when they are actively searching for them. This visibility can lead to increased trust and recognition in your market. Customer reviews and feedback play a crucial role in building your business's reputation. Positive reviews can attract new customers, while constructive feedback can help you improve and grow. Engaging with your customers through reviews shows that you value their opinions and are committed to providing excellent service. Online business listings are an incredibly cost-effective marketing tool. They offer a high return on investment by reaching a broad audience without the need for expensive advertising campaigns. This allows small businesses to compete with larger companies on a more level playing field. In conclusion, online business listings offer numerous benefits, from enhanced brand awareness to cost-effective marketing. By leveraging these tools, businesses can grow their customer base, improve their services, and ultimately achieve greater success. So, don't wait. Start listing your business online today and watch it thrive.